Hello professionals, I welcome you all to this tutorial series on MEP fire design. We'll be elaborating the basic concept, empirical analysis, and the design process of fire suppression system. Fire suppression system is a part of mechanical design, which is a branch of fire science. It is an entire engineering process used in controlling a raging fire in a building. So we'll be designing for the following system. 1. The hydrant system, where we have our fire hydrant. 2. The fire sprinkler system, which can be a complex system as this, or a mini system just for a single family residential home as this. And 3, we'll be designing and elaborating the hose system, the fire hose system. Likewise, the foam system. And the 5th of our tutorial series, we'll be focusing on the fire extinguisher, which is the fire extinguishing system. And finally, the gaseous system, which will definitely comprise of the inert gases, likewise the normal suppressing gases. This tutorial series will take you through the entire design process. Keep tuned. Thank you.